Stanford researchers have developed a machine learning algorithm that can diagnose pneumonia from a chest X-ray better than a human radiologist can. And it learned how to do so in just about a month. The machine learning group, led by Stanford adjunct professor Andrew Ng, was inspired by a data set released by the National Institutes of Health on September 26. The dataset contains 112,120 chest X-ray images labeled with 14 different possible diagnoses, along with some preliminary algorithms. The researchers asked 4 Stanford radiologists to annotate 420 of the images for possible indications of pneumonia. They selected that disease because, according to a press release, it is particularly hard to spot on X-rays, and brings 1 million people to U.S. hospitals each year. Within a week, the Stanford team had developed an algorithm, called CheXnet, capable of spotting 10 of the 14 pathologies in the original data set more accurately than previous algorithms. After about a month of training, it was ahead in all 14, the group reported in a paper released this week through the Cornell University Library. And CheXnet consistently did better than the 4 Stanford radiologists in diagnosing pneumonia accurately. The Stanford approach also creates a heat map of the chest X-rays, with colors indicating areas of the image most likely to represent pneumonia. This is a tool that researchers believe could greatly assist human radiologists.